Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Adetolu. I am sincerely happy to to do this video again, especially with you around. Okay, if you are new, thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I discuss my personal growth journey. Okay, how I am evolving into the person that I need to become in order to lead that fulfilling, abundant, happy, and purposeful life. Today's video is going to be very short. Okay, I hope so. And I want to talk about three most important skills that you must have, okay, should you desire, okay, to really make money, should you desire to uh, earn money. That is just it. Okay, you want to earn money, you want time freedom, you want to be financially independent. There are three most important skills that you must have. Okay, money is a tool, money is a reward. Understand this. It is a tool. Put money in the hands of a good person, he will do more good. Put money in the hands of a bad person, he will do more evil. So it is a tool. It is a tool for doing either good or evil, depending on whose hand the money lands. Okay. Then number two, money is a reward. Do more good and people will reward you. Okay. And it is a means of exchange. Exchange more value and money will naturally gravitate towards you. So three most important skills. The first skill is that you must acquire, okay, how to earn this money. It is a must. If you sincerely, okay, want to earn money, you must. I wished I knew this like 10 years, 20 years ago. Then I thank God for where I am, but I would have crossed this level of my life long time. When we go to school, they only taught us how to acquire knowledge that makes us employees. Unfortunately, we didn't acquire, okay, the knowledge that will set us free. And by free, I mean that will give us time and money freedom that we all deserve. And this time and money freedom comes when you understand the concept of earning money. These three skills that I'm discussing today, the concept of earning money. Okay, so we were limited to just go to work and earn money. And this is unfortunately why many people, okay, end up becoming poor. At the end of 35 years of service, or after clocking 60, 65, 70 years, you are left with nothing. Nothing. Take the job away from you, and money is taken away from you. And the unfortunate thing is the salary that most people earn from their job does not even add up, cannot even fund their lifestyle, cannot take them to the end of the month. Yet they go to a job where they're not happy, they're not fulfilled. It does not even pay their bills. So master the skill of earning money. This is one skill that I have mastered so well. I wished I had this skill 10, 15 years ago when I started working. Side by side, I will have it with my job. And what does mastering the skill of earning money entails? It's just simple: becoming a person of value. By becoming a person of value, that is to say, you value people, identify the problems that they have, okay, and then go backwards and then profile the solution. Package this solution, okay, in the form of a product or a service and deliver it excellently well. For instance, I'm a gifted speaker, okay? I speak on stages. I have packaged my thoughts. I have packaged my frameworks that has helped me to become who I am today and on the journey, okay, of unleashing my full potential in life. So I am packaging this into a framework, step-by-step framework. And each time I'm invited to a church or any other organization to speak, okay, I give them this framework. This has become my value that I give to the world and I get paid for it. Okay. Number two, I'm a consultant. Okay. I'm a certified member of the certified management consultant. I'm a member. As a matter of fact, I'm a fellow. So I consult for small businesses. Okay. How have I been able to do this? I have worked in the marketing and sales organization for close to 2 decades of my life. So this is hands-on experience in sales and marketing. So I package all of the experiences, okay, and I put them in the form of products or service. And I sell them to small business owners. I help them X their sales. I help them get more from their customers. I help them acquire new customers. What more? I package what I know into digital products. I have courses, I have ebooks. So you must master the art of becoming a person of value and packaging your value into a product or service and delivering it excellently well. And it starts by positioning yourself as a person who helps. Understand this. I'll speak about this in subsequent videos. Make sure you follow me. Okay. Number two, you must master the skill of managing money. You must. And this talks about planning, budgeting, and saving. Saving to invest. Saving does not guarantee that you are going to be wealthy, but saving with the intention of investing is going to help you. The past couple of years of my life, I wish I had this information many years ago. I made it compulsory for me to save. I have a high yield savings account with PiggyVest, with Optimist, with Meristem. So you must, as much as you can, mastering this skill is going to help you spend less than you earn. So if you want to spend more, then you up your earning capacity. Mastering, okay, how to manage your money. It entails delayed gratification. It entails completely doing away with impulse purchases and all of that. Very important. And then number three, this is key. You must acquire the skill of making your money grow and working for you. That is multiplying money. Master the skill of multiplying money. It is important because it is not just enough to earn money. It is not just enough to manage or keep or save this money. What guarantees that you become wealthy is your ability to acquire the third skill. It is very important. That is the skill of multiplying money. As a matter of fact, I wish I knew this many years ago until I met a coach who told me, look, you must build a value that ensures that your salary does not fund your lifestyle. Instead, your lifestyle is funded from the proceeds of your investments. I wish I knew this. But if you are young and you are hearing this, please run with it. Okay? Your investment, proceeds from your investment should fund your lifestyle. It is very important. And there are various instruments of investment. Federal government bond, if you're in Nigeria, commercial paper, treasury bills, real estate. I do all of these with Meristem, with Optimist, with PiggyVest. It is very important that you understand these components. And I intend to take you through these steps one after the other in subsequent videos. But should you want us to have a one-on-one, so that I share my practical experience with you, the past 5 years of my life, Okay, I have seen the benefit of getting your money to work for you. Believe me, and I wish I started many years ago, but it is not too late to start. Acquire the requisite financial knowledge that you need to, one, acquire the skills of earning money, managing money, and multiplying money. If you master these three skills, trust me, the next 10 years from now, mark this date, the next 10 years from now, you will thank yourself for taking the action. So guys, that will be all. I initially did not want this video to exceed 7-8 minutes, but now this is 10 minutes, so I will have to end it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when next I churn out quality video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And please like this video. You see that thumbs up button? Like it so that we tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is valuable, and they will in turn share it with as many people that need to hear it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.